I'm Virginia McGathy here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans were lower. It seems that the Chinese imports were 11% lower from last year, starting to pressure that market. There has been a little bit of lackluster trade and some profit taking here at the end of the week, and it's kind of pushing the market a little bit lower. The winter storms across the U.S. plains also were leading to some concerns that perhaps that it's going to make the moisture in the ground look really good and ready for planting, and that possibly would increase some acres. And with that, that will definitely pressure some of these futures markets. Also, corn was down. I think that spillover selling from soybeans and even from wheat. Wheat was down a lot as well. Is really pressuring those futures. The national average of the cash price for corn is also lower, and plus the technical charts in corn is starting to move to the bearish side, and just maybe it's just losing. I don't say necessarily bearish, but just like losing some momentum. We're in kind of a little bit of a middle ground area because the spring market hasn't really come to us yet, and with all the news that's been out for the last 2 weeks has everyone a little bit exhausted, so they've just somewhat moved to the sidelines, and that's why we've seen some of the decrease in some of the prices and futures. Now wheat was really falling. It seems that the rain in the plains relieved some of the crop stress. The big storms that did finally come, and the short-term technical numbers are really turning bearish. However, I don't believe that it's enough to really mitigate all the damage that may have happened over the last season here for winter wheat. But with the rains, it's gonna slow down us getting it out of the ground to find out just really what the crop damage is on the wheat side. So we're gonna be watching that closely. Even Kansas City wheat was down almost 14 cents today as well. So that was really pulling some of the soybeans and the corn down just for today. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathy.